Click on the API Not Ready button above. After clicking, a new format will open in front of you. As soon as the new format opens, you need to click on Kobold AI. After clicking, you will see that it's asking for the Kobold AI API URL. Alright, let's open a new tab and type Kobold GPU here. After typing, click on it. As soon as you click on it, a new format will start to open. When the new format opens in front of you, you will first see the Show Code button. Click on this button. After clicking, a code will appear. This is not our Kobold API code. Just scroll down a bit. Here, you will see an arrow button. Click on it. From here, you need to scroll and check the Holotext 13 box. After checking it, click here if you are using Google Drive. Otherwise, you can check out. Okay, after that, you will see another button here. Click on it. After clicking, your code will start generating. It takes about 10 to 15 minutes, I think, for the code to generate. If your internet connection is good, it may take less. But if there are server or internet problems, it can take up to 2 hours. It depends on your server and internet. After 20 minutes, scroll down here. After scrolling, you will see a few buttons. You need to select the classic one and copy it from here. After copying, go back to Janitor AI. As soon as you are back here, you can see the Kobold API that is open. Paste the code you generated here. After pasting, you will see a Save Settings button. Click on it. After that, this format will close, and you can see that your character is ready to chat. Your prompt is completely ready for chatting. You can type any message here now. This was the method to generate the API URL. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like it.